recipe we have a lot at holidays, and it's candied sweet potatoes. And what you want to do, it works better for me if you get a potato this shape. And I just use my little kitchen toy and I peel them like this. And then when I get them peeled, I'm just going to show you because I already have them cut up. After you get them peeled, I didn't peel all this, but you know it needs to be peeled. If you got a mandolin, you can slice them up with that, or either you can do it with a knife if you want to. Now here is the ones I have already sliced. They're about a 1/4 inch thick. We're going to make a coating for the sweet potatoes that's already been sliced. And I've preheated my oven to 400 degrees. And what you have to do, that's a kind of high degrees, but you'll have to, every 15 minutes probably have to stir them. They have to cook about 45 minutes. Let me get this coating mixed up. We've got a cup of butter that I've already melted in the microwave. Mix that up. 1.5 cups of brown sugar, and I like to use light brown. I don't use dark brown much. Very few recipes. Tablespoon of salt. We have a tablespoon of vanilla extract. Now that's all there is to that. We got to stir that up and coat our potatoes in it. You want to be sure all the potatoes are coated real good. You know, used to, when I was at home, a young teenager, my mother used to cook these on top of the stove. And I remember they stuck real bad. Somebody had to stand over them and stir them all the time. Well, I hated that job. I had to do that a lot. So then, I learned later on we could put them in the oven. So here we go with our sweet potatoes. You want to be sure they all get coated real good. When you get them in the oven, you want to stir them about every 15 minutes till they get done. But I really like this recipe. I like candied sweet potatoes. I'm going to take a 9 by 13 pan, and I'm going to line it so it won't be so much trouble to clean. Now they're just ready for the oven. You just have to watch them and stir them up when they get done and candied, and they're really good to eat. Our candied potato recipe is finished, and I hope you enjoy it. I know my family does. We have this in a lot of holiday meals that we have. I've enjoyed doing this for you, and I hope you cook it, and I hope you enjoy it as much as we do. See you on the next video.